Pimpri Chinchwad Education Trust is a trusted brand in education since 1990, founded by late Sri Shankar Rao B. Patil and late Srimati Leelatai Shankar Rao Patil, offering quality education from KG to PhD. SB Patil College of Architecture and Design is managed by Pimpri Chinchwad Education Trust with an aim to provide quality technical education. The institute is approved by Council of Architecture COA DTE and is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University with an intake capacity of 120 students. SB Patil College of Architecture and Design was started in 2014. The institute is running a full-time 5-year degree course in architecture and is supported by a team of well-qualified and dedicated full-time faculty, which includes practicing architects and allied design field experts. The infrastructure in campus includes hostel facility for boys and girls, canteen, ATM, stationery shop, photocopy center, gymnasium, sports grounds for various sports, security system and CCTV surveillance. Our focus is not only to impart book knowledge but also provide exposure to site study, market trends and various aspects of building industry to our students. In order to keep up with the changing world, current development needs such as climate responsive architecture, digital and parametric architecture, low carbon design, environmental awareness, social needs, etc. are incorporated in the students. Speaking about facilities provided by the institution, SB Patil College of Architecture and Design studios are well equipped with drafting tables with individual lockers, workstations, comfortable seats, LCD projectors, carpentry workshop, climatology lab, computer lab, electrical lab, submission room and conference room. Also, we have a library worth 2,500 plus books, international and national journals, magazines with designated reading areas for students and well-equipped digital library. The computer lab consists of workspace for more than 50 PCs which have the latest softwares installed. The college has inbuilt material museum for students to gain practical knowledge of various materials used in high-tech buildings and also various materials produced by construction industry. Along with the above-mentioned infrastructure, to enhance the learning experience of students, we have also set up construction yard activity. The students can get a hands-on experience of on-site construction activity. Study tours have been conducted. The students studied rural and urban designing, urban fabric and master planning to various places in India such as Trimbakeshwar, Hyderabad, Pondicherry, New Delhi and Chandigarh, and internationally at UAE, in which students visited Dubai, Sharjah and Abu Dhabi. In addition to this, we arranged many site visits and case studies in and around Maharashtra. As mentioned earlier, we ensure the all-round development of students by participating in various events such as NASA, International Yoga Day, Environment Day, Annual Matrubhasha Divas, Cancer Awareness for Students, Freshers Party, etc. We also arrange an annual cultural day, annual sports day and students' work exhibition, award distribution and inauguration of newsletters. Guest lectures, seminars and industrial interaction workshops are arranged throughout the year by various recognized individuals in the field. More than 50 eminent architects and professionals such as Architect Vijay Garg, Architect Prashant Deshmukh, Dr. Rajendra Kohli, Dr. Vasudha Gokhale, Dr. D. Shastri, Dr. Shaji Deshmukh, Mrs. Mrunalini Pawar, Architect Mahesh Nampurkar, Architect Rajesh Mehta, Architect Debrata Ghosh, Professor A.P. Mittal, Colonel Professor Sudhir Sinha, Architect Makarand Pathak, and so on visited and guided our students. In future, we are planning to conduct classes under skill development of Revit, Rhino, Grasshopper, 3ds Max, Google SketchUp, Lumion, V-Ray and MS Project soon for students to learn and understand the requirements of architectural firms. All in all, top-class infrastructure combined with quality education from experienced faculties makes SB Patil College of Architecture and Design one of the best places in the country to learn and grow into a skilled professional as well as an individual. SB Patil College of Architecture and Design.